with the people of India. India became independent on 15th August 1947. At the time, population of India was 33 crores, about 33 crores. Our forefathers sacrificed their life, sacrificed their family for the better cause of a nation. Today, India having population of 147 crores people, the largest democracy of the world, the largest populated country, the largest world market. Despite the same, India not growing as desired. A large chunk of people unable to feed their stomach with 2 square meal in regular daily basis. Who is responsible for the same? But India created large number of billionaires and some of them are world ranking billionaires. Is the benefits of democracy? How it happened and why? Who is responsible for the same? Our forefathers sacrificed their life in the British gallows. Lakhs of people sacrificed their life in the British bullet, British gallows, and various places including Andaman and Jallianwala Bagh and other places of India. We cannot forget the sacrifice of our forefathers. The founder of Indian Constitution, B.R. Ambedkar, never thought for the days will come, elected representatives, MPs and MLA will convert and behave like Ayaram Goyaram. They will change their party as per their sweet will for vested interest. Whether people's mandate are sellable? If not, why those peoples are occupying berth in parliament or assembly despite changing their color and without resign from the parliament or assembly while changing color? Is the systems of the democracy to change color of party for vested interest? People of India, a large number of people of India become poor. There is a wide gap of income among rich and poor. As a result, country is not properly developed. Barring few people who develop at the cost of mass people of the country. Who is responsible? The people, those who are responsible, are the legislature in parliament and assembly. They are creating law. If law is created for the criminals, if law is created for the people, those who siphon up money, siphon up Indian development, any need for the lawmakers? Lawmaker must be create law for benefits of national, for benefits of nationality, for benefits of democracy, but not for benefit of self, not benefits of family, not benefit for vested interest. But it is happening nowadays only because MP, MLAs, those who are occupying berth become leaders, whether they actually performed the assets of their families and self prior to election and after election. You find there is hell and heaven. How much growth they generate, how they generate. It is the people who must ascertain, who must judge, who must take appropriate steps for safeguard country interest. Only few days back, 23rd April, West Bengal voters cast their votes 91.35%. for 152 seats in West Bengal. Around 2047 companies of Central Reserve Armed Forces perform their job. That is around 2.47 lakhs security personnel perform their job. It is okay. Transparency is essentially required. Next time, that is the second phase of election to be held on 29th April. All the people must come forward and 100% vote to elect their true representative. Voter must elect their true representative who can deliver excellent, transparent, capable leader and corrupt-free people for true mass development. Otherwise, be prepared for suffer. Voting right should not be transferred under any circumstances. Voters must ensure that their name is not deleted. Voters must ensure they should attend the vote and vote spontaneously. Free and fair election essentially required for changing, for creating development of the country. Long live India, long live Indian democracy, but remove corruption. What India needs? India needs strongest democracy. India needs strongest judiciary. India needs corruption-free, nepotism-free, terrorism-free, lie-free, fake-free, true mass development. India needs hate-free, true mass development. Indian youth and undisguised employed needs job in organized sector, government sector, public sector undertakings, public sector banks, food, cloth, shelter, education, treatment, security, and prompt and transparent judgment. As justice delayed is justice destruction. Thank you.